This breakfast is so good. I love the fresh fruit here.
I have an idea for today. Let's go hiking at Diamond Head.
Diamond Head? What is that, Dad?
It's a very famous place in Honolulu. We can see the whole city from the top.
Can we see the ocean too?
Yes, we can see the ocean, the houses, and the roads. It's beautiful.
Is the mountain very high? Will I be too tired?
Don't worry, sweetie. It's not too high. We will walk slowly and rest a lot.
Let's get ready. We need water and hats. It will be sunny.
Wow, that's Diamond Head. It looks big.
I have water for everyone. Peter, do you have the hats?
Yes, I have them. Everyone put on your hat. The sun is strong.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Follow me. We will take it slow. No need to rush.
There are so many steps.
Are you two okay? Do you need to rest?
I'm a little tired, but I'm happy. I want to see the top.
Mom, can we stop? I want to drink water.
Good idea. Let's all take a break here.
Here you go. Drink slowly.
Look how far we came already. We are doing great.
Look over there. You can already see the city.
I see it. The buildings are so small.
Let's keep going. I want to reach the top.
We made it. Come on, everyone.
I can see the ocean. It's so blue.
There are so many houses, and look at all the roads.
The wind is so nice up here. It's cool and comfortable.
Everyone, come together. I want to take a family photo.
Say cheese.
Perfect. This is a beautiful memory.
This is amazing. I'm so glad we came here.
Can we go down now? I'm getting hungry.
Yes, let's go slowly. Going down is easier.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?
I'll have a burger and fries, please.
I'll have a sandwich, thank you.
And what about you two?
Can I have a burger too?
Me too. And a cold drink, please.
Great. I'll bring your food soon.
I'm so hungry. We walked so much today.
My legs are tired, but it was fun.
You both did a great job today. I'm proud of you.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
This is so good.
This is a simple lunch, but a happy one.
This is so cool. It's like a big train.
This is a relaxing way to see the city.
Welcome. We will show you the beautiful streets of Honolulu today.
Look at all the people, and the shops are so pretty.
Mom, I see a colorful store. It has so many colors.
This city is really beautiful. I like the trees and the ocean view.
Are you enjoying this?
Yes, this is my favorite part.
Next stop, shopping area. You can walk around and explore.
These souvenirs are beautiful. Let's find something special.
Dad, can I have this? It's so cute.
Of course. This is a nice memory from our trip.
That's a very popular toy. Many kids love it.
Can I get a postcard? I want to send one to my friend.
That's a wonderful idea. Let's pick a nice one.
I think we all found something. Let's go pay.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your time in Hawaii.
This place is amazing. Look at all the decorations.
Let's sit here. We have a good view of the stage.
It smells so good. What is that smell?
That's the barbecue. We are going to eat delicious food tonight.
I'm hungry again.
Here you go. Try this. It's traditional Hawaiian food.
This is really good.
The show is about to start. This will be a special night.
Look, they are wearing beautiful clothes.
This is called hula dancing. It's a traditional Hawaiian dance.
The dancers move so smoothly.
It's so pretty. I love the music.
Look, the fire dance is starting.
Mom, is that real fire?
Yes, but don't worry. The dancers are very skilled. It's safe.
Wow, it's so bright and fast.
This is Hawaiian culture. It's very special.
That was amazing.
I'm so glad we came tonight. This is unforgettable.
Today was a very long day.
I'm so tired. I want to sleep.
We did so much today. We climbed a mountain, rode a trolley, and watched a beautiful show.
This was a great family day. We made so many wonderful memories.
I loved everything. Can we do it again tomorrow?
Let's rest tonight first. Tomorrow is another adventure.
I can't wait to sleep.
Here we are. Let's get some rest. Good night, everyone.
Today we hiked Diamond Head, saw the city, and enjoyed Hawaiian culture together. Traveling as a family is such a beautiful experience. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us keep creating these stories. Thank you so much for watching. Good night!